Vactor is a manufacturing company that makes industrial sewer cleaning equipment. We are the world's largest vacuum truck manufacturer, and anything that's not supposed to be in the sewer system, this is what this machine will remove. Vactor is known for its reliability. Anything that is being designed comes through our department, and we work with the engineers to be able to make it manufacturable, repeatable, and consistent. People want the reliable truck to be able to go out and finish the job and come back to the shop at the end of the day. We run 3 shifts of operation here, so making sure that we have a reliable product from Bernard and we have the consumables that we need to make the product every day is one of our end goals.
My weld shop, they are very team oriented. They take a lot of pride in what they do. Their tool is their gun. If that's not working correctly or there's issues with that, that's what I hear about first and foremost. The Bernard gun is great. I get no complaints about the guns anymore.
I come in, I punch in, I suit up, and I get to weld with this gun. It makes things a lot easier for me on a daily basis.
It seats very well in the hand, and the trigger is very easy to hold down. So if you're performing a long weld and you don't have trigger lock on, it's very easy on your fingers.
It's got a lot of room on the handle. It's lightweight. It's easy to move around, to weld around stuff.
We have a lot of tight areas on our barrels because we do weld everything inside and out, so they have to get into little crooks and crannies. They make different size nozzles so we can get into them thinner areas, and everything's air tested. So being able to get a weld in and get a good weld in is crucial.
I like the AccuLock consumables because it's easily taken off and removed, and when you put it back on, it locks on. It ain't gonna slide off or nothing.
We don't have to change out the liners a lot. If we do have to change out the liners, all they do is whip one out and throw a new one in.
With the Bernard, I can spend more time welding and less time performing upkeep to my equipment.
Quality is very important to us. We weld everything inside and out. If there's an issue, we all kind of jump in and get it taken care of.
It's about productivity, and it's about getting our product to our customer on time.
It seems like they're always trying to improve and help us make our job easier. I would recommend them to anybody, really.